Learning to use the Citation Maker. From your reading in this module, you have learned that resources found on the Internet can be placed under one of 12 categories. In this tutorial, we're going to use 3 reading resources from our assignment to demonstrate how the Citation Maker is used to make perfect citations for a works cited page. We will be using Networking the Nerds by Robert Gringley, Who Owns the Internet by Jonathan Strickland, and a Wikipedia article titled Personal Web Page. Remember from your reading that a works cited page is placed on a separate page at the end of all research reports. We will begin this demonstration by making a citation for the article written by Robert Gringley. Imagine that you've used the following quotation from his article in your research report. The U.S. government poured hundreds of millions of dollars into research, and it was a golden age for R&D around the country. End quote. To select the appropriate category from the Internet group, you ask, does this quotation come from a soundtrack, video, or picture? Duh, of course your answer is no. By looking at the URL of the article, you discover the article is on the PBS website. And by reading about PBS, you discover that PBS is sponsored through government funds and private donations. Its domain name is .org, representing an organization. As you evaluate the different categories under the Internet group, you determine that the source from which you are quoting is not a magazine, newspaper, scholarly journal, encyclopedia, book, or blog. Finally, a search of the credit page uncovers the work is copyrighted in 1998 by PBS Online Inc. All of these factors indicate that the citation of the article should use the website form under the Internet group. The Citation Maker is displayed on the computer screen, and a spam safeguard number between 0 and 9 has been entered into the Fight Spam box. Scanning the items in the right column, you see the Internet group. Clicking on any of the categories will display a corresponding citation template or form for that resource. In this case, for the Gringley work, the website category is selected. Complete a citation form by clicking in a field box and entering the information required. We've speeded up the process in order to quickly demonstrate what a completed form looks like. After the form has been completed, click on the green Create Citation Below option on the menu at the bottom of the form. The citation appears in the citation box below the menu. If you have more than one citation that falls under the same category, click on the Clear Form option and fill the form in again. In this second example, we have used the article written by Jonathan Strickland found on How Stuff Works. Determining the category under which this article belongs is challenging. Is it an encyclopedia, a reference resource, a book, a magazine, a personal website, blog, or should it be placed under the website category? We can use Google to help answer that question. Going to Google, the name of the website, How Stuff Works, is typed into Google's search box. Scanning the resulting list of hits, we find a Wikipedia annotation that states, How Stuff Works is a commercial edutainment website. Well, it's not defined as an encyclopedia, and it's certainly not a magazine or newspaper. And because the resource is not a video, picture, or audio recording, the citation should be placed under the Citation Maker's website category. Here is what the completed form looks like. The Create Citation Below option is clicked, and the new citation will appear in the citation box below the first one. Our final example is citing something from Wikipedia. In your assignment, you read an article called Personal Web Page. Wikipedia is an encyclopedia. You can verify that by reading about the website. Click on the encyclopedia link under the Internet group. The form looks like this when completed. And when you create the citation, it appears in the citation box under the other citations. Clicking the Sort All option sorts the citations in alphabetical order. A very helpful feature. When your citation or citation list is completed, Click on the Save in Word or Save to Google Docs to transfer your citations to a works cited page. In this tutorial, you learned how to make a citation using the Citation Maker. Be sure to practice using the Citation Maker, and if you have any questions, be sure to ask your instructor.